Hello, this is Samuel Yancey with Lesson 5, Part 2, Video 1, showcasing the actual changes I've made to my assignment here. And of the changes I've made, the most visually noticeable ones are that I've just added backgrounds, I've centered text, and I've made things look a little bit better. For the actual shopping area, I decided to add a background image of a shopping aisle, as I saw that it was both nice looking and fitting. Under the About page, I've actually added about text. It's mostly fabricated, obviously, with a nice background image of countryside Oklahoma. It provides a clickable link here that links you to the Arcadia Round Barn, which is right next to where I live, to showcase a little bit of Oklahoma's history. Under the Contact page, I've added two images that in the future, should I see the need to, I can change into on-click events that will take you to, respectively, the system administrator and the product administrator if you were to need to contact them. If I want to access Profile or Shopping Cart, I need to sign in. Under my sign-in page, I have a locked door signifying that you don't have access until you sign in. It's pretty self-explanatory on that image. So now that I've signed in, I made the conscious decision under Profile to not add a background to it, simply because this is where your profile picture is listed. Your profile picture image overlaid on another background image could look very cluttered very quickly, so I decided to leave this pretty plain as to not overwhelm anyone when they're just trying to find out what email they have or their user ID. Under Shopping Cart, I added a shopping cart clip art because, you know, it's only fitting. But this is where the actual main beef of what I've changed in my custom edition is. I've added this empty cart button. If I were to go into Home and say, yeah, I want some bread, let me get a second loaf, but you accidentally click on something else, or let's say you just decide, you know, maybe I don't want to buy all this stuff, forget about it. Then you can change your mind and you can say empty cart. When you empty your cart, it does exactly that. It completely obliterates whatever you had in your cart, and it also prompts you with a red message signifying that yes, your cart is emptied. When it does so, it also signs you out, so that way, I would imagine that if you'd empty your cart, that's pretty much the end of your shopping spree anyway. And so that is what I, Samuel Yancey, have decided to do for Lesson 5.